The Bose soundbar wall bracket makes it easy to mount your soundbar to the wall so that you don't lose valuable room space. Let's take a look at everything included inside the box. You should have 2 wall brackets and 2 soundbar screws, 2 1-inch screws and 2 standard wall anchors, 4 1.5-inch screws, 4 expanding wall anchors, and 1 push pin to expand the wall anchors, a wire channel adhesive, and a wire channel cover, a 90-degree 3.5mm adapter for the soundbars that have an AdaptIQ connection, and finally, a quick start guide and a wall mounting template. The wall mounting template in the box includes 4 different layouts for various Bose soundbars. To determine which layout to follow, align the rubber pads on the bottom of your soundbar with the 4 templates. You'll need to use the template that matches the spacing of the pads on your soundbar. In this video, we're using the Bose Smart Soundbar 600, so we'll be following this template. You'll also need some tools to complete this installation. We'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, a drill with various size drill bits, masking tape, a level, a pencil, and safety goggles. Okay, now let's get started. Start by finding the center of your TV. Get a few pieces of masking tape ready and keep them within reach. Place the template on your wall, centered below the TV. Slide the template up behind the TV so the long dotted line on the template is in line with the bottom of your TV. This placement is important to ensure the wire channel cover hides the cables going behind your TV. Use a level to ensure the soundbar depicted on the template is straight, then tape the template to the wall. Now, use a pencil to make the 4 markings on your wall where you'll drill for the brackets. The wire cover channel can be attached 2 ways, with the double-sided tape or with screws. Even if you plan on using the tape, make these markings on your wall as well to indicate where the wire channel will go. Once you've made all your markings, remove the template from the wall. If you're using tape for the wire channel, use the markings on your wall to properly align the tape. Now, just press the wire channel onto it. Okay, now let's drill the holes. You don't need to drill deeper than the length of the screws. For the wall bracket, start with the smaller 1/8-inch drill bit. If any hole is on a stud, you can use the 1/8-inch hole you made. For any holes where you do not hit a stud, widen them with an 11/32 drill bit. For the wire channel, start with the smaller 3/32 drill bit. If you hit a stud, you can use the 3/32 hole you made. If you do not hit a stud, widen them with a 3/16 drill bit. Next, for any holes that are not on a stud, we'll need to use a wall anchor. Use the T-shaped anchors for the wall brackets. Squeeze and close the anchor so that it can fit into the hole. Once it's inserted, use the push pin to open the anchor back up. Use the smaller anchors for the wire channel. Now, use the larger pointed screws to attach the wall brackets to the wall. Make sure you don't over-tighten the screws. Use the smaller pointed screws for the wire channel. Next, peel off the 2 rubber pads on the bottom of your soundbar to access the mounting points. Before mounting, be sure to connect the power and TV connections to your soundbar. If your soundbar has a connection labeled AdaptIQ, connect the right angle adapter to it. This lets you easily connect your AdaptIQ headset if necessary. Now, set your soundbar on the brackets so the mounting points align. Keep one hand on the soundbar so it doesn't fall. With your other hand, tighten the small flat screws to secure the soundbar to the brackets. Finally, run the power and TV connection cables over the wire channel and then press the decorative cover on top. That's it! For additional support, visit our website or contact us directly.